Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can sync audio to your photos on CapCut PC. I'm just going to right click and separate the audio for now, and on the audio I'm just going to select auto beats, and I'm going to select beats too. And here's where you can simply sync your photos. Just adjust it to match the beats, so here, and adjust your photos and add another one. For instance, move the slider to that beat and kind of move this here, or you can split it wait, let me just add another picture. For instance, go here and then select delete rate, and it's going to instantly delete the rate bit. And that is basically how you can sync photos to your audios on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!